TV review! I hope this is useful to someone. This model is the 40-inch TCL 40S325 1080p TV with Wi-Fi and integrated Roku. Truly a blessed age for TVs. $200 for this thing. Remote. The remote has dedicated Netflix button, Hulu button, Sling, Amazon TV button. That's pretty cool, man. Here we are. How the fuck is it supposed to stand? Does it not come with a stand? Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be very angry. Oh no, the stands are there. They're just very small. Provided hardware for Phillips head screws. Piano black plastic gloss. Fingerprint magnets. Everyone loves these. Right. It's very lightweight. I would peg it at maybe 15 pounds tops. Power cord goes in right here on the side. It's not a very long one, it's maybe 4 feet long. Oh, you turned on all on your own. Yeah, let's get started. Bust out this remote, put some batteries in. I like this TV because it doesn't have the Alexa wiretapping, which is always nice. Wow, that's smooth operation. Nice. Hold up. Let's remove all this fun stuff. Boy, be careful. This screen is quite touchy. If you even touch it a little bit, you can see it distorts. Like, oh man. I say don't pull the tape directly outwards. Pull it off to the side like this. I think it puts a little less stress on the screen. Great. Let's turn the light off so we can get a decent picture here. Alright, so this is about as close as I can get the camera without too much artifacting, I hope. Wi-Fi function. Be very nice if it works, because that means I don't have to create an Ethernet jack. Nice, we are connected. Ah, yes, the update. Let's get some more mood lighting going. Alright, so it had me go on Roku.com/link and link the TV to my account. I had to create an account. I never had Roku before. Now it's adding all these apps that I requested. And next up, hopefully I can start watching something. Alright, it was done updating. Let's connect my devices. Like, yeah, I ain't got nothing. This is fine. Yeah. Whew, that's bright.
Get to know your new TV in about a minute.
Yeah.
We'll show you how to use your remote, add channels, search for entertainment,
Oh, yeah.
and use the Roku and press
Alright. Alright, finally. Featured free, my feed. Okay, first things first. The scrolling here is smooth. One thing I absolutely hate about modern whatevers is a choppy performance of whatever UI that they're using. This seems nice. This seems to work pretty well. So I want YouTube. Okay, it took me forever to find YouTube. Go down to streaming channels. I probably don't want you to find YouTube. Go down to top 3 or search channels, but YouTube's obviously going to be at the top because everyone wants YouTube. I wanted the YouTube. Add the channel. It'll download YouTube. Great. It's downloaded. Go to channel. Alright. I'll sign in. Just a sec. I don't have anything particularly beautiful to show from my channel. But I don't want to get copyright strike either. But let's try this and just YOLO it. This is for educational purposes. You understand, YouTube? Don't copyright strike me. This ad looks great. Thank you, Nest. That's cool, man. That looks pretty good. It's not like super amazing image quality, but for $200, I say it's amazing image quality. No complaints here. Let's try something else. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's got really high compression, though. I don't know. Let's try something. Give me something great. Pine tree. Yeah, it looks decent, you know? Image quality is nice, but what really I appreciate the most is how responsive it is. This is probably the Roku integration, and it's great. It's smooth. Like, look at that. No problem whatsoever. Everything loads up fast. I love it. Honestly, for $200, I can't really find too much fault with this TV. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if it helped you at all.